Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss CVP analysis chapter unit number 5 of accounting for management subject. Okay, so this concept is same like a degree level only, so I am uploading the degree level concept of CVP analysis, which is same for MBA first semester also. So okay, let's get into the video ma. So in this you need to learn the formulas. Okay, hardly 10 formulas I have given. If you by heart, if you remember these formulas in your mind, then 12 marks is in your hands compulsory. Okay, so contribution formula is sales minus variables or cost also you can use, or else fixed cost plus profit, or else fixed cost minus loss. Okay, contribution per unit formula, contribution by unit sold. Okay, based on the question you need to check out the which formula is suitable. For example, in question they have mentioned sales and variable cost, you need to take this formula. If in question they have mentioned fixed cost minus loss, then you need to take this formula. Like that, based on the question you need to take the formulas. It's purely up to you. Okay, next PV ratio. PV ratio means profit volume ratio. Profit volume ratio you can use contribution by sales into 100, or else fixed cost plus profit by sales into 100, or else sales minus variable cost by sales into 100, or else change in profit by change in sales into 100. So compulsory these formulas you need to remember it in your mind, then only you will get in this chapter. Okay, so the third formula is BP in units. Okay, you can use fixed cost by PV ratio, or else fixed cost by contribution per unit. Out of these two formulas you can use any one formula. And the fourth one is BP in rupees or sales, fixed cost by PV ratio, or fixed cost into sales divided by sales minus variable cost. Okay, just make a note of the formulas. And MOS you can use actual sales minus BEP sales. This is rather than BEP sales, right? Actual sales minus BEP sales, or else profit by PV ratio. Okay, MOS ratio formula what? MOS by sales into 100. If you want profit, means if they have asking you to calculate profit, means you need to use this formula, sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. If you want fixed cost, means sales into PV ratio minus profit. Okay, and the last formula, ninth formula, is sales required to earn a profit. Okay, fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. Okay, this 9 formulas you need to remember in your mind. Okay, in material whatever the formulas they have mentioned, you need to take these formulas and substitute it. Okay, final answer will be same only. Okay, now we will discuss one question, so it will be useful to you all, easily understandable. Okay, so here you see students, the following information is related to Kakatiya Cements Limited. Okay, in this they have given sales 5 lakhs, tons also they have given, materials 1 lakh, labor 50,000, direct expenses 10,000, fixed cost 3 lakhs, profit 40,000. What they have asked, you are required to find out break-even point, BEP. BEP is nothing but break-even point, and PV ratio, profit volume ratio, MOS, margin of safety, sales required to earn a profit of 50,000 and find a profit at a sales. If you want 50,000 profit, how many sales you need to do? If 9 lakh sales were done, means how much will be the profit? Like that, this 5 we need to calculate for 12 marks. Okay, so here we will do solution based on our formulas. In material they have mentioned another formulas. In this video, by using my formulas easily I will tell how it will be helpful. Okay, so here the solution I am writing, students. So here you see, given that, you need to write like this, given that, what they have given in the question, what they have given in the question, sales they have given, sales is equal to 5 lakhs. Okay, material 1 lakh, labor 50,000. Okay, direct expenses 10,000, fixed cost 3 lakhs, and profit, okay, 40,000. Okay students, so here we are calculating, we need to calculate BEP. PV ratio, margin of safety. First we will find PV ratio, okay. So to calculate PV ratio, here I am writing a PV ratio, okay. This is the PV ratio. Just look into the formulas, what formulas I have given, okay. So this you can use these formulas. Contribution by sales into 100, or fixed cost plus profit divided by sales into 100, or out of these formulas, 4 formulas, whatever the formula is required to our question. In question we are having fixed cost 3 lakhs, okay. Okay, fixed cost we are having. Profit also we are having 40,000, okay. Sales also we are having 5 lakhs. So out of these 4 formulas, better to use this formula, right? So profit volume ratio, I am writing the formula. What is the formula? Fixed cost plus profit divided by sales into 100. Got it? I hope you are understanding, okay. So fixed cost is, how much fixed cost we are having in the question? 3 lakhs. Plus profit is 40,000 divided by how many sales we have done? 5 lakhs into 100. Just you need to substitute 3 lakhs plus 40,000, 3 lakh 40,000 divided by 5 lakhs into 100. So here I am taking the calculator. You see 3 lakh 40,000 divided by 5 lakhs into 100. How much we are getting? 68%, okay. So PV ratio, anytime we will get percentage only. So here they have mentioned another formula, they have got 68. Here we have mentioned our formula, then also we have got 68%. Got it? Next we will do BEP, that is break even point, okay. In question, particularly if they are mentioning BEP in units, means we need to use units formula. If they are mentioning only break even point, then we need to use only break even rupees all sales. If question వాడు యూనిట్స్ అని మెన్షన్ చేస్తేనే ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఇఫ్ దే ఆర్ నాట్ మెన్షనింగ్ ఇన్ ద క్వశ్చన్, వీ నీడ్ టు యూజ్ దిస్ వన్ ఓన్లీ, ఐదర్ దిస్ ఆర్ దిస్. ఫిక్స్డ్ కాస్ట్ we are having in the question. PV ratio just now we have calculated. Out of this two, this is easy, no? So better to use that formula. What is that formula? Fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost is how much, students? 3 lakhs. Divided by PV ratio, how much we have calculated? 68%. Okay. So same thing. Just take a calculator. 3 lakhs divided by 68. Here percentage symbol is there, no? Percent. How much you are getting? 4,41,176. Okay. 4,41,176. Okay. So this is the formula. This is the answer. So here also you are getting the same answer, but formula is different. Here also we are getting same answer, but formula is also different. Okay. So my formulas will be easy in understandable. So that's why I am making you to make down a note of that. Okay. Next we are finding MOS, that is margin of safety. Got it? Margin of safety, as per the formulas, we can use actual sales minus BEP sales, or else profit by PV ratio. Actual sales is 5 lakhs. In question they have given, no, 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. BEP sales, just now we have calculated this one, 4,41,176. You can use that formula also, or else next you are having profit by PV ratio. In question we are finding profit, no? Better you use that formula. Okay. So profit by PV ratio. Profit is 40,000. PV ratio is 68%. Okay. 40,000 divided by 68%. How much you are getting, ma? 5,58,824. Point after 5. Okay. 58,824. Got it? So same answer you are getting, no? So if you do 5 lakh minus 4 lakh 41 also you will get same answer. If you do like this also you will get same answer. Okay students, next what they have asked, sales required to earn a profit of 80,000, 50,000. Okay, in question I have mentioned you a formula, sales required to earn a profit of profit. Okay, what is the formula? Fixed cost plus desired profit by PV ratio. Fixed cost we are having no more. How much fixed cost we are having? 3 lakhs plus desired profit. In question what they have given the desired profit? 50,000. This is not the profit. Desired profit is this much. This is 50,000. Okay. So 3 lakh plus 50,000 divided by PV ratio. How much we got? 68%. So 3 lakh 50,000 divided by 68%. Okay. 3 lakh 50,000 divided by 68%. How much you are getting? 5 lakh 14,706. 5 lakh 14,706 you are getting. Got it? Same formula. Okay. Next what they have asked ma? Find out profit at a sales level of 9 lakh it seems. So you have sold 9 lakh worth of goods. What will be the profit they are asking? Same formula. Same formula. How many sales? What is the formula? Sales is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit by PV ratio. This is the formula ma. Okay, sales how much they have said? 9 lakh sales is equal to fixed cost is 3 lakhs plus desired profit we don't know, we need to calculate desired profit. This is 68%. You need to do cross multiplication. How we will get cross multiplication? This will go here, this will go here. 3 lakhs plus desired profit is equal to 9 lakhs into 68%. Okay, same 3 lakhs plus desired profit. Okay, 9 lakhs into 68% means 6 lakh 12,000. Okay, so desired profit is equal to 6 lakh 12,000 minus 3 lakhs. The answer is minus 3 lakhs. So answer is 3 lakh 12,000. Like this you need to do. Okay, I hope you have got clarity. Just it will be a formula based thing. Okay, if you are by hearting the formulas, if you are buttifying the formulas, or else if you are learning the formulas, 12 marks is in your hands if you are getting problematic question from unit number 1. Okay students, so this is an important method, and a remaining second method is just I am showing here. Just see, here they have asked from the following details find out contribution per unit. They are asking BEP also we need to calculate. Whatever the thing they have said, units sold they have given, total sales they have given, variable cost they have given, fixed cost they have given. Okay, so what is the formula of contribution per unit? Contribution per unit is equal to sales minus variable cost you need to do, then you will get a contribution divided by units sold. First you do contribution, that is sales minus variable cost. Sales is 60,000, variable cost is 30,000. Okay, so contribution is 30,000 divided by units sold is 20,000. If you do means what is the contribution per unit? 1.5. So here also same, don't concentrate on table, just answer is important. Okay, they are asking BEP. BEP we can use the formula fixed cost by PV ratio, because fixed cost we have already just in the question. First you find out PV ratio. To find out PV ratio you can use any formula, contribution by sales into 100. Contribution just now we have calculated 30,000. 30,000 divided by 60,000 into 100 also you can do this also. Okay, after getting PV ratio you can do BEP. Okay, alternatively you can do any one or the other ma. Okay, సో ఒక్కటి తర్వాత ఆర్డర్ వైజ్గా చేసుకోవాలని ఏం లేదు. ఓకే, మార్జిన్ ఆఫ్ సేఫ్టీ ఫార్ములా యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఆర్ ఫార్ములా. ఓకే, యాక్చువల్ సేల్స్ మైనస్ బీపీ సేల్స్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ యూజ్, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ప్రాఫిట్ బై పీవీ రేషియో you can use this formula also. Next they have asked profit. To find out profit, this is the formula: sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. Fixed cost they have given, sales also they have given, PV ratio just now we have calculated. So if you substitute it, means you will get profit. Okay, so take a screenshot of the question. Okay ma, so here I am zooming the question. Okay, take a screenshot, it will be useful. Okay, you do this homework problem, this is homework. And next type of method is the third method. Okay, here in this question you see this type of questions also they may ask, formula based only. Okay, from the following particulars calculate BEP. What is the formula of BEP? Fixed cost by PV ratio. First you find out PV ratio. Given the data is sales they have given, variable cost they have given, fixed cost also they have given. First take our formula BEP and substitute the BEP. Okay, here fixed cost by sales minus variable cost into sales they have taken. Okay, instead of that you use our formulas. Fixed cost by PV ratio also you can take this also, because fixed cost is there in the question, sales also there in the question, sales also there, variable cost also there. Better to use this formula. Okay, if you substitute the amount that in, means you will get BEP, that is how much you will get BEP, 75,000 you will get. Okay, here is same. Next here they have given the situations ma. Here what they have said, new BEP if selling price is reduced by 10%. Selling price is nothing but sales. Sales how much you are having? 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs into 10%, if you do, means how much you will get? 20,000. What they have said, reduced from 2 lakhs, if you deduct 20,000, what will be the amount? 1,80,000. For if sales amount is 1,80,000, what is the BEP? Again you do the same thing. Fixed cost 3 lakhs divided by sales is 1,80,000 minus 1,20,000 into 1,80,000. If you do that type of thing, means you will get 90,000 BEP. Okay, this also you should practice, and you need to know the answer by in the comment section. Okay, practice these questions, it is important. Okay, easy also. Calculation of new BEP if variable cost is increased. Increased means variable amount is 1,20,000. 1,20,000 into 10% means you will get 12,000. Okay, increased means we need to add it. Okay, 1,20,000 plus 12,000, 1,32,000. If variable cost is 1,32,000, what will be the BEP amount? మళ్ళీ సేల్స్ 2 lakhs ఉంటుంది, ఫిక్స్డ్ కాస్ట్ 30,000 ఉంటుంది. వేరియబుల్ కాస్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది? 1,32,000 అవుతుంది. ఇఫ్ వేరియబుల్ కాస్ట్ ఇస్ 1,32,000, వాట్ విల్ బీ ద BEP సేల్స్? Okay, same like that also. Fixed cost is increased by 10%. If fixed cost is increased by 10%, what will be the BEP? Okay, so fixed cost is 30,000. 30,000 into 10% means 3,000. Increased means we need to add 30,000 plus 3,000, 33,000. Okay, again you need to find out the BEP. Like that, this type of questions also we may expect for the examination. And the last method, this is also based on the formula. What is that means? Here in question number 31, the sales and profit for 2016 and 2017. In the question they have mentioned only sales and profit. By taking that data, we need to calculate PV ratio, BEP, sales, profit and MOS. This many we need to calculate based on this data. In 2016, what is the sales amount? 1,50,000. Profit is 20,000. 2017 sales is 1,70,000. Profit is 25,000, students. Okay. First we need to calculate PV ratio. In the formula, in our formulas, whatever I have said the PV ratio formula ma, this we can't use because contribution we are not having, sales is there. But here profit is not there, fixed cost is not there. So it is also we cannot use. Variable cost is also not there, we can't use this. But here change in profit by change in sales into 100. How we can do that? Change in profit in 2016 20,000, in 2017 is 25,000. What is the change amount? 5,000. 5,000 divided by, in sales how much is the difference amount? 20,000. 5,000 divided by 20,000 into 100 means you will get a 25% PV ratio. Got it? To find out the BEP, we can use two formulas. Either we can use this formula or else this formula. Based on this two, fixed cost we can use, because fixed cost formula we can use. Sales into PV ratio minus profit, if you have done means you will get fixed cost. Fixed cost divided by PV ratio means you will get BEP. Same like that only. Fixed cost formula, what they have said, sales into PV ratio minus profit. Opening sales how much? 1,50,000 means 2016 opening. 2016 profit is 20,000. Okay, 1,50,000 into PV ratio, just now we have calculated 25%, minus 20,000 means you will get fixed cost 17,500. If fixed cost is 500, 17,500 divided by 25% means we will get BEP. Like that, ఒకటి కనుక్కోవాలంటే ఇంకొకటి, like it will be interlinked ma. So that's why based on the formula this unit will be. మీకు formulas వచ్చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ వచ్చినట్టే. ఓకేనా? So just now I have, this is the last question, just see. Here they have asking to find out a sales required to earn a profit of 40,000. If you want to get 40,000, how many sales you need to do? So 17,500 is the fixed cost plus desired profit is 40. PV ratio we are having. If you substitute this means 2,30,000 will be the sales amount. If you done a 2,30,000 means you will get a profit of 40,000. In D formula, what is they are asking? Profit for a sales of 2,50,000. If you want to get 2,50,000 sales, what will be the amount of profit? Okay, so profit formula is what? You can use sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. This is the profit formula, no? So you can use that formula also. Sales is 2,50,000 given here, only they have given. PV ratio we have followed 25%, minus fixed cost is 17,500. If you substitute that means you will get this amount. And the last one is calculation of MOS. MOS formula, profit by PV ratio. What is the profit of thing? MOS profit is 50,000 divided by PV ratio is 25%. 50,000 divided by 25% means you will get 2 lakhs. Like this you need to do. Got it, students? So this type of questions only they will ask from unit number 1, that is chapter 1, 12 marks. Just if you are remember this 9 formulas, 12 marks is in your hands. Got it? As many of you were requested, for them I have done a video, that too in English. Okay, so from next video I can do in explanation Telugu also. So don't worry, meeku English ardham avutunda leda anedi comment section lo comment cheyandi definitely ga, so that if Telugu listeners is more means I will continue in Telugu. If not means I will continue in English. How is my English is, you let me know whether it is understandable or not. So this is about the thing ma. If you are having any doubts, you can comment down in the comment section, and whatever the problems I have given for the practice, you practice that formulas based on the formulas and let me know in the comment section the answers. Okay, see you all in the next video. Bye bye, students.
Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, unit 4 cash flow statement explanation we are doing in this video. Actually cash flow statement is same, the concept is same as you are having in your degree. So I am uploading the explanation video of the degree level. So same concept is same, everything is same, just you need to understand the thing about the cash flow statement. Okay, so concept is same, so understand the proforma and the explanation. So let's get into the video ma.
So this is your proforma. What you will have? Particulars, amount. First heading you will have cash flow from operating activities. Okay, cash flow from operating activities, this you need to do the thing ma. You need to write that side headings. In cash flow from operating activities, what you will get? Net profit you will get from cash flow cash flow from operating activities లో ఫస్ట్ మీకు ఏముంటుంది? నెట్ ప్రాఫిట్ బిఫోర్ ట్యాక్స్. దే విల్ గివ్ ఇన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ that you need to write it in the outer column. Next, add items to be added. You need to add non-cash or non-operating items. For example, in the question if they are mentioning depreciation, you need to add. Okay, if you are mentioning any loss on sale of assets, you need to add. Loss on sale of investments you need to add. Interest on loans and borrowings you need to add. Okay, provision for doubtful debts add. And preliminary expenses you need to add. Provision for discount and debtors add. Like that you need to add all these items. That is called, after doing the operating activities, after writing net profit, you need to add this type of items if they have mentioned in the question. If not, no need. Next, what are the items you need to deduct? For example, interest received, dividends received, rental income, means whatever the profits we are getting, we need to deduct that. Whatever the loss we are getting, we need to add it that. Okay students, next you are having profit and gain of, profit or gain of fixed assets. If you are getting profit means you need to deduct it. If you are getting profit on fixed assets means you need to you need to minus it. Okay, appreciation of fixed assets you need to minus. Okay, then you will get operating profit before working capital changes. Okay, this you will get. From this మీరు ఏం చేయాలి అంటే when current asset is decreasing means you need to add it. Okay, when current asset is decreasing you need to add, when current liability is increasing you need to add it. Okay, so just I will tell that trick. What is that trick means? See here, for example, in current asset is decreasing means, if current asset is decreasing means you need to add it. If current asset is increasing means you need to minus. If current liabilities is decreasing means minus, current liabilities increasing means plus. Like alternatively you need to do it. Okay, write this thing, then only will understand. Okay, so here what we have done, decrease in current assets you are adding, increase in current liabilities you are adding, decrease in current assets, increase in liabilities, increase in current assets, decrease in current liabilities, we are doing reductions. Ante we are getting increase or decrease, we need to take clarity. Okay, next you will get direct cash flow from operating activities you will get. Okay, cash flow from operating activities you will get. From that you need to do second heading, that is cash flow from investing activities. In investing activities what you will have, any type of cash flow from investing activities. What are the things we need to write? It means any items if we are receiving, for example, interest received, dividend received, rent received, like this type of things you need to add it. If in case of any fixed assets purchases you need to deduct it. Any purchase of fixed assets we are doing means we need to minus that. If we are doing sales means we need to add it. Okay, so that is will come in investing activities. To do investing activities, we need to do investing activities based on the fixed assets. Okay, so fixed assets if you have taken a look means you will easily get understandable. Okay, next you are having cash flow from investing activities. Got it? Cash flow from investing activities. Here what we will do, issue of shares and debentures. Okay, long term borrowings, loans, this type of things we need to add. If suppose in case of any repayment of loan, repayment of dividend, repayment of debentures, in that cases we need to minus. Bracket in the sense minus amount, you need to do minus. Okay, then you will get net cash flow from investing activities. Okay, if you add net cash flow from operating activities, investing activities, financing activities, if you are getting the positive number means that is called net increase. If you are getting negative number means it is called net decrease. From that opening cash you need to add. Okay, వచ్చిన amount ki opening cash add చేస్తే closing cash అనేది మీకు ఆన్సర్ అనే రూపంలో వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, సో అలా వచ్చినప్పుడు మీరు చేసిన ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్ అని అర్థము. ఓకేనా, సో నౌ లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ది problematic question so that you will easily attempt it. Okay, so see here students, question number 13. Here first we need to do the net profit. Net profit is nothing but P&L account. How much they have given? 11,000. This year 14,000. What is the increase? Net profit is 3,000. Okay, last year 11,000 only, this year 14,000. How much it is increasing? 3,000. That is called net profit only. No, next in that operating before capitals, here we are not having any depreciation, we are not having any loss. No, so directly we are going. Now you see current assets is increasing or decreasing? Debtors is compared to last year, that is decreasing. When current asset is decreasing, we need to add it. Okay, so decrease in debtors, how much we are decreasing? 2000, that's why we are adding. Increase in current creditors, we are adding. If stock is decreasing, if current asset is decreasing means we need to, if current asset is increasing means we need to minus that. Okay, so that's why we are doing minus. Okay, from 4000, this also 4000, 4000 minus 4000, you will get 0, and you are having only 3000. So net cash flow from operating activities is 3000. To do investing activities, we will have fixed assets, no ma? So fixed assets is nothing but plant. Last year you are having 46, this year 45, which it meant sale. No, sale చేసినావు అని అర్థం. If sale means how much sale you are having? 1000. Got it? 1000 you are doing sales. So if you are having sales means you need to add that amount. So that is called investing activities. To do investing activities, you need to concentrate only on fixed assets. Got it? Next, cash flow from investing activities. To know cash flow from investing activities, just see here. Share capital we are having 20, now 25. 5000 is issuing. Next, debentures. Last time you are having 15,000. This time you are having 12,000, which it meant redemption. You have repaid that. Okay, issue of share capital enta 5,000. Redemption, how much you have paid? 3,000. We are paying redemption, no? Means repayment. Repayment is nothing but we need to do minus. Okay, from 5,000, if you minus 3,000 means 2,000 you will get. Okay, net cash flow from financing activities is 2,000. Okay, so 3,000 plus 1,000 plus 2,000, more total 6,000. That is called net increase in cash and cash equivalent. After this, what you need to do? Opening cash. In asset side you will have cash, no? Opening how much? 2,000. For 6,000, if you add 2,000 means how much you will get? 8,000. That 8,000 and this 8,000 should be get tallied. Then only your answer is correct. Otherwise, you have done mistake. In cash, net profit, net analysis, net increase, if you add in cash and cash equivalent opening, you need to get the answer of closing cash. Then only you have done a correct answer. If not, you have done a mistake on that. Okay, students? So question number 14 is very much important. So just notes, you check out this question. After this, we can wind up the video. So here what they are saying, share capital, loan from RAM, loan from bank creditors, all that they have given. In the adjustments, during the year machine costing 10,000, depreciation is 3,000. So total machine costing is 10,000. In that 3,000 is depreciation. From 10,000, if you minus 3,000 means 7,000. You need to sell that machine for 7,000. But how much it was sold? 5,000. You are getting profit or loss? You are getting loss. Indirectly we are connecting. So the time what you need to do? So just check out the answer. Cash flow from operating activities. How we can say net profit? Net profit they have given 45,000. That 45,000 we are writing here. In this, according to the pro forma, here we need to add the any type of depreciation amount or loss we are getting. How much loss we are getting? 2,000. 7,000 you need to sell that machine. You are selling it for 5,000 only. So 2,000 will be a loss amount only, no? That 2,000 you are adding. How we got 18,000 means, here you see the working notes. Here opening depreciation is 25,000. Closing is 40,000. In the middle of the year, 3,000 depreciation you have accumulated, no? That type of things we need to add it in the closing side only. 40 plus 3,000, 43,000. From 43,000, if you minus 25,000 means what is the amount? 18,000. That is the depreciation amount. You need to add it here. Got it? Next, current assets increase ainiya, current assets decrease ainiya. If increase means add or minus, the same thing you need to do. Then you will get net cash from operating activities. Net cash from operating activities you will get. Next, what we need to do? Cash flow from investing activities. To do investing activities, we need to concentrate only on fixed assets. So purchase of land means last year you are having 40,000. So this last year you are having 50,000. This year you are having 40,000, which it meant 10,000 you have purchased. So purchases means minus. Okay, same like that only. Purchase of buildings. Last year you are having 50,000. This year you are having 60,000. Means 35,000. This year you are having 60,000. Means 25,000 purchases. Sale of machinery. Sale of machinery how much? 5,000. Got it? Then you need to add it, okay? From 35,000 minus 5,000, from minus 30,000 plus 5,000 minus 30,000. Okay, minus you are getting here. Next to financial analysis, that is financial statement. You need to learn about the liability side. Okay, where issue of shares and capitals, like that you need to do. Okay, after doing this you will get financial activities. Cash and cash equivalent, opening cash you need to do, closing cash you need to do. This is the working notes. Simple trick what I can tell is, if in case in the question after doing all this stuff, if the question is not getting tallied, that last answer if it is not tallying the with the cash closing, then what you need to do in that cases, whatever the closing cash you are having, just write that cash in the last time. Okay, last sentence. Okay, if in case time is not there, if in case you have done the question correct only but it is not tallying means, then do that thing. Okay, but this is the main thing you can get it from unit number 5. Okay students, so this is all about the video. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends and groups. Okay, if you are having any doubts, you can comment down in the comment section. So basically this video is a quick revision. In depth I didn't say anything. So by this knowledge you can absolutely attempt the question. If you attempt the question and if you draw the pro forma correct means, you can easily score 8 or 9 marks out of 12 marks. For calculation mistake, only hardly 3 or 4 marks only they will deduct. So that's why I am saying you to learn the pro forma is very much important. Okay, so once again all the very best. And our channel is near to 50k subscribers. Just check out our channel, and if you think this channel is worth it, then do a hit button in the channel. So hope we will complete 50k subscribers by completion of your examination, that is June 22nd. So if you're having any further doubts, you can comment down in the comment section. See you all in next video. Bye bye students.